This episode was fucked up. We have this Accord right here. All it does is click. The issue is the starter. We're gonna have to replace the starter. Battery's dead for sitting for like more than a month. Let's do it. Cover right here. This cover right here. Loosen this off. That's a 10 right there. And then it has like a 12 in the bottom for the bracket for the manifold. You gotta remove the hose, this hose, the auto body that side, that over there. Remove 1, 2, 3, 4 and intake manifold bolts. Come out. Boom. Obviously starters right here. Take off this one right here from here, you know. Get that out of the way. Unhook this one. Take off that nut right there. Like that, starter is out. Time to install the new one in reverse order. And just like that, new starter is plugged in. Boom, boom, and torque down. Then put the shit right here. Oh yeah. There you go. So battery was super dead. Had to put my battery. Choose the battery. So there you go. Starter change. Oh, jackass.